So what is going on, everybody? In today's video we have an Ultraboost. I know we've opened up probably like 3 Ultraboosts on the channel. Now this is actually a members only one from Adidas. It's the Tokyo DNA. And before we open up these shoes, I am doing a sneaker giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers. This is the shoe that I'll be giving away. It's an NMD R1 V2 in a 9.5, and even if you aren't a 9.5, you can sell these on StockX because they are dead stock. So one of the requirements is to subscribe, so make sure you just go ahead and do that right now, and there will be a link in the description that you can click at the end of the video. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open these shoes up. So these retailed for $180 on the Adidas app. It was only for members, and we are a member, so my brother actually got these for himself to wear. So we're going to get some on-foot footage of him wearing them after we get these open. Now I'm going to open it with a tomahawk, because I feel like it. Alright. There we go. Alright. It's actually upside down. Don't know why. Get this box out of the way. Okay, so here we go. It's an 8. All it says is Ultraboost, and yeah, and then just the style code. Now on the box we have Adidas symbols, or the Adidas logo, on basically all the sides. One right there. Nothing on the top actually, so it's just plain. And I like the way that they do these boxes, where they open up like that. That's pretty cool. Now we have the wrapping, or the paper. It says Ultraboost with the Adidas logo right there, and Ultraboost right there. Okay, so here's the actual shoe itself. We'll go ahead and get both of them out. Okay, so personally, this is one of my favorite Ultraboosts that has dropped in a while, as you guys know, if you are an OG, I did take a Chinese class in school, so I like all of these little, like, Chinese logos right there, or not logos, characters, Chinese characters. I should know this. See, on the back, too. I don't know if you guys can see that. And right there on the tongue. Even though I did take Chinese, I don't know all of these symbols or characters, and I do know some of them though, but I don't want to speak Chinese right now. But, okay, so let's go ahead and just talk about what the shoe looks like. So, as you guys know, it always comes with the Continental rubber on the bottom, and then right here we have a plastic piece. And this one features a red plastic piece right here with some gold painted boost on the back half, and then the front half we just have white regular boost, not painted. And then this prime knit is all black with pretty sure like all the DNAs have like this material. You guys can see that right there. It runs all the way through there to right there where we have the Chinese characters. Now the cage, I actually really like this about the cage, to where it's half white and half black on these stripes right there. So with the cage we have these black laces with gold tips. That gives the shoe a really good touch. And then on the back of the shoe it says Ultraboost in black right there. It's kind of hard to see that. And then we have this pull tab with Chinese characters on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the shoe. So logos on the shoe, there's only like one Adidas logo right there on the tongue. And Continental right there. Now, if you have never tried on an Ultraboost, like for sizing or whatever, I wear a 9.5 in a Yeezy and a 9 in an NMD. and I could do a 9 in an Ultraboost and take out the insole, but I do have a 9.5 with an insole, and that works perfectly fine for me. So we should go ahead and get these things on feet and see what they look like. If you're wondering what the insole is, it just says Boost right there. And yeah, on both of them. That's all it says. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and get these things on feet to see what they look like. Okay, so the shoes look amazing on feet. They look even better in person. You might not have been able to see like how they actually look like in person on this camera. So I hope you guys see them like in real life so you can decide if you want to buy them. But I hope this review helped you guys decide if you're going to go out and get yourself a pair. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and sign up for my sneaker giveaway. Remember, there's a link in the description, and everybody give this video a like. But as always, thank you guys for watching.
Open up, UOPN.